Curb ramps are a great investment as they help protect your vehicle from damage. However, quality and usability can differ greatly. So, let's compare BRIDJIT and Pyle curb ramps on some key factors. BRIDJIT curb ramps are eco-friendly as they are made from durable recycled rubber. Pyle ramps are made from engineered synthetic rubber that may be rugged, but it's certainly not environmentally friendly. BRIDJIT ramps will take a load of 20,000 pounds per axle, making them perfect for larger trucks and SUVs. Pyle curb ramps have a max load capacity of just 11,000 pounds. This makes them less suitable for truly heavy-duty use. BRIDJIT curb ramps have a modular design that allows them to interlock securely. They are solid enough not to need bolting down and have tapered edges on end pieces. Pyle curb ramps aren't tapered and also have holes for bolting into concrete. This is illegal in some states and also causes structural weak points. Our industry-leading 5-year limited warranty underlines the quality and durability of BRIDJIT ramps. Pyle curb ramps are offered with just a 1-year standard warranty. Why risk it? BRIDJIT curb ramps are made in the USA from recycled materials and are designed to last for years under the toughest conditions. Rivals just can't compete with our warranty and quality. Click on the link below for more information.